All right, today we're talking about making some simple but really powerful upgrades to our lives. We're going to break down a few science backed principles that promise huge results without you having to completely tear everything down and start over. So let's dive in. Think about it, right? We're so quick to upgrade our phones, our apps, our computers, all for the latest features. But let me ask you, when was the last time you thought about upgrading your most important piece of tech? Your own personal operating system. And here's the best part. This isn't about some massive, difficult life overhaul. Not at all. It's about applying a few simple, scientifically proven ideas that can basically put your health and your well-being on autopilot for success. So let's get right to our first upgrade, the longevity code. This one is all about completely rethinking what's possible for our lifespan and taking real practical steps to not just live longer, but to live better. Yeah, you are seeing that number correctly, 150 years. And this isn't science fiction. Based on some pretty stunning advances, researchers now believe it's actually possible to stay youthful for that long. The whole idea is shifting from just treating the diseases of old age to actually slowing down the aging process itself. Dr. George S. Roth really hits the nail on the head here. The key isn't some magic pill. It's way simpler. It's about systematically getting ahead of the curve and avoiding those diseases we all associate with getting older. So, the big question is, how on earth do we do that? Well, Dr. Roth boils it all down to these two really powerful steps. First, reduce excess body fat, because that just supercharges your body's natural defenses. And second, get a real handle on your daily diet. These two things, right here, are the foundation for slowing everything down. And this is where the science gets really specific. Research from a professor, Dr. Eric Ravison, points to a clear target, cutting about 25% of your daily calories. Just look at this chart. The people who managed to do that saw their risk of age-related diseases just plummet. It's a pretty powerful reminder of how much control we actually have. So what does this upgraded diet really look like? It's actually pretty simple and, not about deprivation. The idea is to focus on foods that are low in sugar and unhealthy fats, but absolutely packed with nutrients and fiber. Think tons of vegetables, salads, and fruits. You're fueling your body for the long haul. Okay, now for our second upgrade. I like to think of this one as a critical system patch for managing stress. It's the social connection. And it's all about realizing that our relationships aren't a luxury, they're a biological necessity. And the science on this is, wow. Having those supportive relationships with people, your family, friends, community, it doesn't just feel good. It has a direct physical impact on your body. It actively lowers your risk for major health problems like heart attacks and strokes. It's huge. This comparison just captures it perfectly, doesn't it? The difference between just passively zoning out and actively engaging in something joyful. It's not about just filling time. It's about connection. And hey, research actually shows that a simple act like petting a cat can help lower your blood pressure. It's all about the quality of your time. All right, let's move on to our third upgrade, the movement principle. If you ever feel sluggish or just kind of drained, think of this as the essential reboot for your body's entire energy system. At its heart, the idea is so simple, but so profound. Our bodies are designed to move. When we're active, we tap into this amazing source of energy that just gets drained away when we're sitting still. It's a fantastic tool for shaking off that sluggish feeling, and even for fighting off depression. And you don't need to sign up for some crazy, intense workout program. The recommendation is so simple. Just build the habit of a 30-minute walk, maybe 4 or 5 times a week. That's it. It's so accessible, it's powerful, and the benefits to your overall health is massive. Finally, our last upgrade, mastering your sleep. Think of this as your nightly defragmentation, like on a computer. It's the process that clears out all the junk from the day, repairs the system, and gets you ready for peak performance tomorrow. To get that really high-quality rest, we first have to figure out what's getting in the way. And here are some of the usual suspects. Things like late-night meals, alcohol, or even working out too intensely right before bed. They can all mess with deep sleep. Just recognizing your personal disruptors is the first, most important step. The key is building a simple, consistent routine. Here's a 3-step upgrade for you. First, try to go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time every day. Second, if your mind is racing, get those worries out of your head by just writing them down. And third, calm your body down with a little bit of light relaxation or some simple yoga. But what about that moment? We've all had it. It's the middle of the afternoon, and despite everything, you just can't stop yawning. Sound familiar? Well, a lot of the time, that yawn is basically a signal from your brain that your brain needs more oxygen. And there's a simple, immediate fix. Just practice some slow, deep breathing. This floods your brain with oxygen and acts like a quick mental reset, helping you feel refreshed and focused again. And there you have it, 4 powerful upgrades for your personal operating system, all backed by some pretty solid science. Your next upgrade is ready to go. So the only question is, which new habit are you going to install first?